Section 2.3 is about the coordinate plane and graphing ordered pairs on that coordinate plane. To the left over here we have a coordinate plane. On this coordinate plane we have an x-axis, which the x-axis is the horizontal axis, and we have a y-axis, which is the vertical axis going up and down. All right, so we have those two. All right, those two axes make quadrants. Quadrants meaning quad meaning four, so there's four quadrants. All right, to the upper right, and it moves in counterclockwise order. It goes quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Okay, an ordered pair on this graph will tell me exactly how and where that point is on the graph. If you ever played Battleship, that's exactly where ordered pairs are at. So, like an ordered pair would give me an x value and a y value. So it tells me what direction I go on the x-axis, the horizontal axis, and what direction I go up or down on the y-axis. So maybe I have an ordered pair 2, 4. Okay, I want to go 2 over on the x-axis. So 2 to the right, 1, 2. All right. Then I want to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's my point right there. Here's my point, 2, 4. That's where the line on the x-axis of 2 meets the line on the y-axis of 4 meets right there at 2, 4. Okay, so we've pointed out what the x-axis is. We've pointed out what the y-axis is. The origin is where everything begins. The origin is actually what we call 0, 0. All right, so the ordered pair 0, 0 is the origin, where everything starts. Okay, where the x and the y-axis intersect. That is the origin. All right. So naming point to an ordered pair says write the ordered pair that names point R, then name the quadrant in which the point is located. R is over here. Our picture's a little bit blurry when I made it bigger for you. R is way over here, so if you notice on our x-axis it went over to the left. 1, 2, 3. So it went over to the left, -3. If we numbered that, -1, -2, and -3. So we went to the left, -3, and then we went up 1, 2. So we went to the positive direction, 2. So the ordered pair R is -3, 2. And they wanted us to tell what quadrant it was in. Well, we said that quadrant 1 started in the upper right and then moved counterclockwise. So that would be in quadrant 2 then. So we say it's in quadrant 2. Okay. The next example here is graph and label the points A, B, C, and D. All right. So we want to graph and label. When we graph it, then we plot the point on its coordinate point. All right, and its coordinate, its ordered pair, and then we write the letter next to it so we can tell what point we're plotting. All right. So graph and label point D at 4, -3. So again, I go left to right first in the x-axis. On the x, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, then down 1, 2, 3. This would be D. C says 0, -4. So on the x-axis, I go 0, and then I go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was C. B says 2, 0. So I need to go to the right 1, 2, and then up 0. 2, 0. 0 on the y-axis. And then -3, 2. I need to go -3, -1, -2, -3, and then I need to go up 1, 2. I need to label that A, and I forgot to label my B. So that's how you graph ordered pairs on a number line. I hope this helps. Here's your assignment. I'll also be on the website. We'll see you in class.